Okay, hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sync any folder that you have on your PC to your Google Drive. So I'm going to provide this link in my bio. So using this link over here, you're going to install Google Drive for desktop. So just scroll down here and then download either for Windows or for Mac. So for me, I downloaded for Windows. So I'm gonna go to my file explorer. So this is the setup. When I clicked on this, I just accepted the terms and conditions. I did all the steps. Now this is what I have. So it's asking me to basically choose a folder to sync. So let me just explain something. Some people think that syncing means actually backing up. So that's wrong. When we say the word sync, it's like you're basically just making sure that whatever is in that folder, you can access it from any device. But if you delete that folder, it's also going to be deleted from the Google Drive. So that's what syncing called. Unless you download that specific or upload that specific file, then you should be good. Even if you delete it from your PC, there's nothing would be wrong with that. It's gonna stay on your Google Drive. But for now, we're only syncing. So now I'm gonna choose a folder. So I'm just gonna create a folder right here. I'll just name it I guess work maybe. Okay, now I'm gonna add a folder. So I'm gonna go to desktop and then work, select. So this feature is good. Let's say you can't just move your PC anywhere you want, and you have work and you keep updating your folder, and you need to access it from other devices. So instead of having to upload it constantly on Google Drive, all you gotta do is sync it. So whenever you need something from that folder, even if you're not near your PC, all you gotta do is just open your Google Drive and then you will see your folder. So you don't even have to constantly upload all the files, all the changes that you make in this folder to your Google Drive. You just have to sync it, and it's done only once. So now I'm gonna choose this folder like I said here. Now next. So as you can see here, it's telling you the difference between syncing to Google Drive and backing up to Google Photos or Google Drive as well. So it just automatically syncs any edits. So any edits that I make to this folder, anything that I add, any folder, any PDF, any Word document that I add here, is gonna be synced. And if I delete it from here, it's gonna be deleted from here as well. So let's just click on got it. Now it's asking me if I want to back up anything. I'll just skip this step for now. It's saying here that this folder will sync to Drive. So next, yes. Okay, it's going to do the process right here. So we're just gonna give it some time. Next here, more important files available for offline use. Okay. You can also use it as an offline option. So open Drive. Okay, now it's syncing, so we're just gonna give it some time. Okay, so now since it has successfully uploaded, so if I open this, as you can see, it's gonna open this folder for me. Over here. Okay, now let's say I made some changes to my folder. So let me just make some changes here. Let me just add I'll just add like a text box, I guess. Work. Let me just add another, maybe like a Google Docs maybe, or just a document. Okay, so as you can see, I have made 2 changes. I have uploaded 2 changes here. So just by going to my Google Photos, you can see that the changes have been uploaded and synced. So now if I go to home, you can see all the changes that I have and that I need are up to date. So even if you open this Google Drive, of course with your account, it's going to show you everything that you need, even from using a different device. So yes, thank you guys and have a good day.